Yo, what's happening, guys? We're coming at you from the warehouse today with some exciting news. We just got in the Jp95 5-channel amplifier, so let's go grab one and I'll show it to you. Look at that cut too, right? What do you got fresh? We're going to the Sundown Audio Show this weekend in Hickory, North Carolina. Jp95 5-channel. A lot of people are asking us for 5 channels, or a 5-channel, so we came out with a very nice one. Give you some specs on it real quick. 120 by 4 at 4 ohm, and then you're gonna have 400 by 1 for the subs at 4 ohm. 2 ohm power, you're gonna have over 200 watts by 4 for the mids and highs, and then you're gonna have 700 by 1 on the sub side. If you wire the sub side down to 1 ohm, you're gonna have over 900 watts. This amplifier was actually dynoed by Big D Wiz. We'll link his video here in the description so you can check it out if you want all the details, all the numbers about it, and what the power it actually put out. But anyway, I'm going to open it up and show it to you. But if you want the details on the dyno numbers, you can check out Big D Wiz's video. Just a little spoiler alert, just like all of our amplifiers, it did way over the rated power on here. So let's check this thing out. So we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy opened up here. Show you what it looks like. And I've got to say, all the videos that I've seen of this, the videos do it no justice on the finish. The finish on these are beautiful. It comes in this nice red. Show you on here. Showing you a little bit about the amplifier real quick. We have the 0 gauge inputs. We have all 8 gauge for the speaker wire and the sub side over here. You can see all the indicator lights we have, clip, power, protection, right there. Flipping it over on this side. Just like all the other amplifiers, we have the Tiffany style RCA connections. Very nice crossover network here, and also our remote bass knob plug-in right here. And just like our other amplifiers, we got the plexiglass back on here, showcasing the guts of the amps, because we're not trying to hide anything. Everything we do inside of here is high quality, very nice parts. We also have our little love notes in here. Can you see that? It loves voltage. So obviously the better voltage that you have, the better results you're gonna get, the better power you're gonna get out of this amplifier. Oh, and it also has a fan in here. It has a high flow fan in there, so it helps keep it cool as well. The bass knob, just like the bass knobs on the other JP amplifiers, the mono blocks, it comes with a nice bass knob right here. It'll show you the same thing on the volt, it has a voltmeter on here. It shows you the temperature. So it's also going to give you protect, power, clipping, temperature. You can change it between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So this is on a 5-channel amplifier right here. This 5-channel amp is under $400. This is unheard of for such a powerful amplifier, and beautiful as well. I mean, it's also something that you can look at, you can showcase in your ride, but it also does power, and it has a great price tag. $399 for this amplifier is a smoking deal. I know other companies that are selling amplifiers that do less power than this for double or sometimes triple that price, just because of the name brand. So you want a great value for your dollar right here. This is there's no better way to go than right here on the Jp95. We're looking at about I would say 19.5 on the length, 19.5. Then on the width, we're going to be looking at somewhere around 7.5 on the width. And then the height, what is that? Maybe like 2.5 or so, somewhere in there. 2.5, 2 3/4. So for what you're getting, this is going to be a complete system upgrade. So if you're wanting to get an amplifier, it's going to run all your door speakers, give you a door speaker upgrade and a subwoofer upgrade. You could do all this usually on a factory electrical as well. So that would be an awesome thing for you to not have to run multiple power wires, multiple RCAs, or any more than you have to. You can do the whole package right here with this 5-channel. You got your sub side, and then you got 4 of your outputs for your mids and highs. So you can do it that way. A lot of people have been using these on their installs, like doing like a factory system upgrade. They're loving it. You can check out the reviews already. People are loving them. So be sure to check this out on Down4Soundshop.com, the #1 source for all of your car audio needs. Guys, if you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JP D4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.